Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
So it reads like this, that the Solicitor General has stated that the petition has been listed by the Speaker on so and so date for disposal. Amiti order on screen galya. Everybody can read that order. Entire Goa can see that order. What does that mean? Means are we going to get a disposal? I think that was definitely not the intention of the ruling side. But are we saying that there is going to be a disposal on 26th or 27th?
I'll tell you one thing. First thing, there was also another thing. The Supreme Court itself said that if you don't dispose it, we can also take up the matter. Because the Supreme Court, in the judgment of Justice Rohinton, has said that even the Supreme Court itself can hear the matter and dispose, more particularly because hardly 1 year is remaining for the assembly elections to be held. And therefore, with that, the Supreme Court has directed that dispose the matter, the order virtually says that the matter should be disposed on the date of the hearing by the Speaker.